Hi, how you doing? My name is Nidal Safi. I work at Stadium Goods as one of the consignment managers, and I wanted to invite you on my home today to show you 3 of my shoes. My favorite shoes, basically. Well, one of my favorites. I don't have a favorite. Whatever. The first one up we have here is a Dunk. They're all Dunk highs. I'm a big fan of Dunk highs. These are old SBs. This one right here specifically is the Nike SB Fog, is what they call it. One of my favorites. I believe this is my second pair I've ever had because the first pair I wore into the ground. Yeah. Just a regular black shoe, gray, gum sole. I'm a sucker for gum soles. You know, I don't know who isn't. You know, if you are, you know. But anyway, that's my first shoe. I got this one. My first pair I got, I believe, was from Dave's Quality Meats. Dave's Quality Meats. Yeah, wow, Jesus. Whew, back in those days, right? Second pair I have for you right here. Well, you know what, let's skip that one. Let's save this best one for last. This right here is one of my favorite shoes. I remember I saw someone on the streets with these many years ago. I had to stop him and ask him what they were. I didn't know what they were. I had no idea. These are the Hulks. Yes, Incredible Hulks. Beautiful shoe, green, you know, green and black. What else can you ask? Two-tone, beautiful thing. Third pair, and I say maybe not most special, but the one I wear the least because it gets dirty very easy. I don't know if you know what it is, but it's this. It's the wrong box, I think. I think it's the wrong box. I'm not sure. Bam! Sea crystals, baby. One of my favorite shoes ever. I love these things. I absolutely love them. Hence why I don't wear them. I bought them a little bit yellow, but they're still just as beautiful as they were the day they came out. I love these shoes. Yeah, and these are my three Dunks. SBs, obviously, all SB highs. Not a really big SB low person. Owned a few throughout the years, nothing special though, you know? Yeah, thanks for coming in and inviting me. I invited you. Bye.